I feel like it's very important for you to sit back and just think about your accomplishments, think about the things that you want to accomplish.
No basic zone.
This is Shay, it's your girl Stushy, back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. Be sure to go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down below. We're almost, well, we're not almost at 5K, but we're on the road to 5K, and we want you to officially become a part of the Stush Gang, so make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are OG triple SG, then welcome back to the channel. You guys know I'm always happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. So now that we got the intro out the way, today, as you guys can see, I'm barefaced. Well, I have my brows are already done. Brows are looking kind of cute or whatever, but today's gonna be a get ready with me. I feel like a lot of things have transpired since the last get ready with me, so I figured why not come on here, get cute with you guys, and just like catch you guys up as to what's been going on in my life, and you know, fill you guys in on some things that, you know, I have some opinions on. So before getting started, make sure you go ahead and leave your girl a big thumbs up. I know sometimes we could get sidetracked throughout the video, you might be too engaged, so before you forget, go ahead and leave your girl a big thumbs up down below. This helps me out a lot. It lets YouTube know that you guys actually enjoy my content, and that way, you know, they could promote my video. If you like it, I love it. So I wrote some notes down on my phone on some points I want to touch, so if you guys see me referring, you know, looking over here, then that's what I'm looking at. So my face has already been moisturized. I'm actually going to be using a new primer today. So if you saw one of my latest vlogs, I think it was my picnic vlog, I went to the Content Corner picnic, which was an influencer picnic in New York City, and my makeup was damn near all gone from my nose to my mouth area. So Carisha, which is another YouTuber slash Instagram influencer, she told me about this primer from Tula, and I've been like kind of eyeing some Tula products, but I went ahead and picked this one up first just to see how the primer performs, and then I'll probably go ahead and purchase some more skincare products from them. But she told me this primer keeps the makeup intact. Your makeup will not be dripping, slipping and sliding. This is what the actual jar looks like that it comes in. Tula smoothing primer gel. That's the consistency of it. It looks whipped inside of the pan, but the formula looks pretty mattifying. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some from this tab right here, because we don't like to waste any money. And I'm gonna, ooh, it's pretty cooling. It wasn't even in my fridge. And I'm gonna just apply it everywhere. I'm pretty impressed with the formula. It kind of reminds me of a moisturizer, but it's giving me the matte feel. And I'm gonna apply it all over, and I'm using a hydrating foundation today too, so this will definitely let me know if it works or not, because the makeup is sliding, sis. Something ain't right, and I'll be returning it to Ulta. So per usual, I'll be leaving all the makeup products that I use down below. Anything new, I'll go ahead and mention it. So for product details, make sure you check the description box. I want to start off by talking about how this year has been, and I'm not talking about Corona when I say this year. I'm talking about the fact that I've been living in the city for a whole year now, since moving from Buffalo. It's been a whole year, and I was talking to my roommate the other day, and it kind of made sense because Capra NYC just officially turned 1. If you're new, I do have a lash business by the name of Capra NYC, but she officially turned 1 on August 26th, and I moved shortly after launching my business. I actually moved on September 1st of 2019. I'm recording this video on September 10th of 2020, so it's been a little over a year since I've moved back to New York City, and it's so crazy to me. I'm also giving my Juno sponge another try. It definitely like helps you use less makeup, but I feel like the first time I used it, I used too much makeup, so I ended up looking a little cakey. But I tried to go in with less foundation today. But like, it's crazy that it's already been a year since moving back, because I feel like it doesn't feel like a year, mostly because we've been inside for so many months. But it also goes to show that time is flying, y'all. Like the fact that I remember vividly like me packing all my stuff within like, I don't even want to say it was like 2 weeks, but within like 2 weeks in my apartment after living there for 5 years, and putting damn near everything in my little Nissan Sentra and driving back home by myself. Like I remember it vividly. I do miss Buffalo. Buffalo pretty much kind of helped shape me. I feel like it helped shape me a lot. But like, it's just so crazy that it's been a whole year, y'all. I feel like it's very important for you to sit back and just think about your accomplishments, think about the things that you want to accomplish, think about where you see yourself in, you know, a year from now. Where's my AirPod in? Now if you guys are new, I'll go ahead and leave like my video talking about, you know, me quitting my full-time, well, my 6 to 2 job, working as the lead diet tech in a hospital, to, like, you know, the very last day that, well, up until the very last day that I actually decided to move out of Buffalo and drive back home. It's so crazy. I felt stagnant in Buffalo, and I just felt like in order for me to grow both my business, Capra NYC, and my business, The Stush Life, I needed to, you know, change my scenery. And I told myself that I wanted to go to influencer events. I told myself that I wanted to, you know, land sponsorships and, you know, reach out to brands and stuff like that. And I'm hella proud of what I've accomplished thus far. Of course, Corona came through and shook stuff up, but I've accomplished a lot of things in a year. When I decided that I wanted to move back to New York City, I told myself that I wanted to go to like BeautyCon, I wanted to go to Curl Fest, I wanted to go to like Smorgasbord and all those different things that are in the city, all these different events that are in the city, brunch and influencer brunches. And a lot of those events usually happen in the spring, but everything was pretty much on pause due to Corona. But I'm still very happy to have grown my YouTube channel, to have grown my business, to have grown, you know, my social media influence and stuff like that. So yeah, I just want to throw that out there. Happy 1 year move to me. If you're OG Triple HD, then you've been with me from the very beginning. I just want to dry my concealer down a little bit. So if you guys have been following me on Instagram, and I mean on here as well, because I've been putting up vlogs, y'all, like, because I've been outside. I know y'all probably like, where's the beauty content? What's going on? Why you not sitting down? I've been outside, okay? And I said that I was going to, you know, try to go outside a lot more in August, because New York opened up. I think they honestly just opened gyms again, if I'm not mistaken, but, or they're about to open gyms. I also think indoor dining is set to open up by the end of September. I know a lot of other states flare up is crazy right now, but New York is doing okay right now. So is Corona over? Do we not have to worry about Corona anymore? Honestly, I think we're always going to have to worry about Corona unless we find a cure. I've been trying to live my best. New York seems to be doing a lot better. And I just said I was going to enjoy the last month of summer, and I feel like I have enjoyed the last month of summer. I've been just doing a lot, okay? If you haven't caught up on any of my vlogs, I advise that you do, because I've been to the pool, I've been out to eat, I booked the hotel, just a lot, girl. Disclaimer, before anyone comes for me, I've been gallivanting safely with my mask, hand sanitizer, and antibacterial soap, okay? Thank you. Bye. My hair looks kind of cute in this little up bun. This is honestly how I keep my hair like 99% of the time. Because it's just easier to handle, it's out of the way, you know, and I honestly feel like it's kind of cute. I did my edges because I recorded another video prior to this, but I've had my braids in now for, I think it's been a month, roughly a month, and I feel like they don't look too bad. I have some new growth as well. I think I'm going to be taking it out maybe in like 2 weeks or so. I'm thinking maybe before that, I don't know. But let me know if you guys would like to see like my TWA updates, show you guys the length of my hair after taking it out. But I don't know what should I do next. Should I put braids in again, or should I, you know, get a wig? Well, I have a wig. Should I install a wig? Should I wear my short hair again? Like what should I do next? I need some help. But it is about to get cold, so I feel like I might need some warmth, if I'm being 100% honest. So I might be doing braids again, might be popping on a wig, I don't know yet. But let me know what you guys think. Did any of you guys watch the versus between Monica and Brandy? Who do you guys think won? I need to hear opinions down below, because I don't know. I feel like I don't know who won, because of the simple fact that Monica was very chill, but she was dropping all the songs. She was dropping all the tunes. Brandy was like, she was getting up, she was moving around and stuff, but I don't know. Like, Monica was singing. I don't know, y'all. Like, y'all got to let me know. I don't know. It's hard. I feel like a lot has transpired in the month of September. Chadwick Boseman, that was so sad to hear about. I think mostly because half of us didn't even know that he had cancer, that he was going through chemotherapy and all that stuff. So yeah, I know it's big cancer K on this side. If you're new, or if you didn't watch one of my 10 facts videos, I'm a cancer survivor. I haven't made a video about it. I don't know when I'm gonna make a video about it. it's still very touchy to me, even though it's been years. That was so sad to hear about. And my old roommate and I we booked a hotel in New York City. We were in the hotel when we got the news. Like, I think she was the one that actually showed me, because I was doing something else on my phone, probably editing pictures for the gram or something like that. And she showed me, and I'm like, oh my goodness, that man was really working throughout all the disturbance. I'm gonna go ahead and use the new translucent powder from Laura Mercier. This is in the shade Honey Translucent, and honestly, it's a really nice powder. I've had it for maybe 2 weeks now, and I've been using it. Super sad to hear about. He brought a lot to the culture, for sure, for sure. Now, I also have the original translucent powder from Laura Mercier, but this one was made for the melanin mamas. It was just made. It was made for us, okay? And it's not too far off from the original either. Just a slightly different. It's just a tad bit more yellow. Wow, I look crazy. So, prior to me recording this video, I'm recording my other video, I was playing around with lighting and stuff like that on my camera, because that's like the one thing that I'm still trying to get together, y'all. Like, for some of my videos, everything looks good, and then other videos I'm like, damn, I wish the lighting could be better. And it's solely because I have to break down my setup every single time and set it back up, so things can change. I forgot that I had this reflector piece right here. I used it in my last video, and I put it on my bed, and I forgot to bring it right back here. So if we look a little bit more light, more lit, then that's why. So far, I'm not mad at the Tula primer. I'm not mad at it. My nose is not, you know, showing her booty as yet. I'm going in with a MAC highlighter today. I haven't used this MAC highlighter in a minute, y'all. I see she still packs a punch. Do y'all see I'm short nail mommy right now? Like, if you follow me on Instagram, then you saw when I initially put these up. If you're not following me on Instagram, this is where I plug my Instagram handle in, at the Stush Life. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. We're lit over there. I went ahead and got my nails, well, my natural nails, and I don't know how I'm feeling it so far. I got a fall color. I guess this is an all year round color. This is nude, but you know, since fall is approaching, I figured it'd be the perfect time to, you know, switch the nails up. Now, normally I'm a stiletto, coffin, maybe even oval long nail gal. But I decided to, you know, switch things up and just wrap my nails. So I have them short right now. They're growing on me, not gonna lie, they are kind of growing on me. Let me know how you guys like them down below, but I don't know. I feel like the next time I might have her shape them so they're oval. But the square is cute, but it's different. I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this. When I go like this, I like hearing everything, you know, with the clicking. But it's fine, it's fine. I'm gonna probably keep it like this for a little bit. So yesterday I went ahead and picked up the Morphe Luminous setting spray. This is what it looks like. Now, if y'all have been watching my channel, y'all know I love the original setting mist. Like, that setting mist is just A1 to none, okay? Is that a phrase? I don't know, but it's A1. But this one is supposed to be the luminous setting mist. The other one is just a regular setting spray. They've changed the formulas, so now they have a luminous, a mattifying, and then they have the original that I normally buy. But I sprayed it yesterday. The mist is still the same, and I think that's why I always gravitate to the Morphes, because the mist is just like no other. This smells really good. Wow. I'm seeing some spottage. Maybe I was too close. Do I like this? Maybe I was too close, y'all. I was trying to get all up in it, clearly. So I went ahead and popped on some lashes. Now, this is a style that I recently got from my vendor. As I mentioned, I am the owner of Capra NYC, which is a quality mink lash business. So I recently got this style. I haven't added any new styles since our launch, so I recently got a few and I'm just testing them out. So this is my first time trying this pair on. I really like them. Do you guys like them? Let me know down below if you guys like them. Should I add them to the site? So a lot of you guys that were really feeling my lip combo in one of my recent sit down videos. I think that was my 1-year business anniversary like chit chat. So I figured I'd show you guys how I achieved it. So I'm going with my Juvia's Place lip liner in the color Cola first. I've been raving about Juvia's lip products. Y'all need to go get them. I'm dead serious. They're that good. Then I'm gonna go in with their lipstick in the color Lady. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty gloss bomb in the color Hot Chocolate. This is my favorite gloss bomb out of all of the gloss bombs. This lip liner is a steal for $10, y'all. Like, and y'all know I don't pay over like $6-7 for lip liner. This is a good lip liner. This is Lady. It's a muted nude. Now that alone is a great lip combo, but y'all know I'm a glossy gal. Y'all know I'm putting gloss on top. She's cute though. So good. Now it looked a little different in one of my recent clips because I had makeup on like eyeshadow, but this is it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's get ready with me. I went ahead and kind of fixed my bun up just a little bit and I popped some earrings on. I love these hoops. I think I got them from Forever 21 a little while back. Don't forget, all the makeup products that I used today will be linked down below. So if you want to check any of them out, if you want to go ahead and pick up any of them, I'll have them linked down in the description box for you guys. Make sure you guys comment down below how you guys are feeling these lashes because I think I'm considering adding them to the site. I really like how they look. They're really cute. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you leave me a big thumbs up. I cannot wait to see what the rest of the year has in store for me, and I cannot wait, girl, to see what 2021 has in store for me. Okay, and I hope it has a lot of good things in store for you too, along with the rest of this year. Subscribe if you haven't already to officially become a part of the Stush gang, and make sure you ring the bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And until next time, until next video, until next upload, until next post, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys. More, you know, it just helps us out. You like it, I like it, I love it. You like it, I love it. You like it, I like it, I love it.